Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you quick tips to remove viruses from Windows 10 and 11. First, disconnect your computer from the internet. This stops the virus from spreading or downloading more harmful files. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug the cable. Next, open Windows Security. Click the Start button and type Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Now choose Quick Scan. Windows will start checking your system. If any threats are found, click Remove or Quarantine. If the quick scan finds nothing, but you still suspect a virus, run a full scan from the same screen. It takes longer, but is more effective. Now turn on real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection if they are off. These features block threats before they harm your system. Next, check for unwanted startup apps. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable any unknown or suspicious programs. This stops viruses from running when your computer starts. After that, update Windows. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Installing updates can fix security issues and remove harmful software automatically. Now clear temporary files. Press Windows and R, type temp, and delete the files. Repeat with %temp% and prefetch folders. Viruses often hide in these locations. Finally, restart your computer and run another quick scan to confirm everything is clean. Thanks for watching.